So I am switching out the antennas and putting the blue stock antennas back on the Quantum Overlord, and I just thought I would take a quick video to show what that looks like, and that I do indeed have X-Air 5.8 antennas on there. I've also got these other two that were on there. So yeah, let's try the test with the stock ones now. See how that goes. And this is the rest of my setup, by the way. I've got a monitor there, and that goes to the tripod. Dead cat. Not really dead, it's just sunning itself. Anyway, okay, and I'm running out of daylight, but here it is with the original stock antennas remounted, and let's see how that performs. Okay, took those blue antennas back off and replaced them with X-Airs again. And let's do another test here and see how the X-Airs perform. pretty difficult for me to say from that test in the goggles. I'm using Dominator HDs, V1s. Pretty difficult for me to say from that test in the goggles which one was the clear winner. I felt like the X-Airs were a little bit more solid and didn't switch receivers quite as often. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but this thing beeps every time it switches receivers, and I felt like there was less switching going on with the X-Air antennas. But I'm gonna have to take a look at the DVR footage and go over it, you know, in the editor to find out for myself what I think about it. So let me do some editing. Ted, you down with that? You down with the editing, buddy? All right.